We have about $10,000 worth of equipment right here. And which one do you like more? Well, let's start and tell you what they are. This one is a Sony a7 III with a 70-200 millimeters lens, class G, with a 4 aperture. So, who is it for, what is it for, and how does it work? Well, the a7 III got a beautiful 24 megapixel sensor with it, and it works absolutely amazing. It has 10 FPS in terms of speed, and the camera here is absolutely gorgeous. I am utilizing it right now, and let me showcase you if you can also see it a bit right here. Now, the 70-200 millimeters lens, what does it make, and who is it for? Well, it is for anything starting from portrait, we start between 70, 80, 85, going all the way to the wide angle, or not the wide angle, going all the way to telephoto zoom at 200. And this, yes, it works really, really good. We do have the zoom that doesn't, as you see here, it doesn't go bigger in terms of the lens, and it works absolutely amazing. We said it's a 70-200 millimeters, so from portrait to telephoto zoom with an f4 aperture though. So what does it mean? Well, it means that it works good with light, whether it is artificial light, the same way that I do have it right here, or whether it is natural light. But in terms of darkness, it is hard that it finds perfect balance with it. So make sure to know about it. And in terms of connectivity, everything on the side. And yes, this is the cheaper compared to the two. We got about a good solid price, but this one is a perfect kit, and I do like the Sony a7 III. But the other big point that we do have right here, well, now we're talking about the Canon EOS R5 and the Canon f2.8 aperture 70-200 millimeters series L of Canon, so the professional one. And this one is a beast. Yes, it's heavier. Yes, it also gets bigger when you go and zoom in and out, as you see right here, from 70, which is right here, to 200, which is the full size of it. Well, it is absolutely amazing. We got a 45 megapixel sensor on the Canon. We got up to 20 FPS in terms of speed, and it records video on 8K up to, or 4K up to 120 FPS compared to what the Sony does right there, which it is 4K 30 FPS at max. And here on the Canon, compared to the Sony, we also have a flip screen, which we see right here. And in terms of quality of the images, well, I mean, they are two different worlds, of course. This is a 2.8 aperture, so it works with much less low light. And I'm taking a shot of the camera that I'm recording right now. But let me go and see if I can showcase you a little bit over here on the camera. So as we see right here, it is absolutely gorgeous. And you can see it right there. We can take pictures of the camera on the table, and the autofocus is great. Captured already all on focus all the way with a big zoom right here, which it is actually great. And the 2.8 aperture works best, especially in low lighting condition. Absolutely, yes. And overall, it is great. So if you want low lighting condition, the 2.8 from Canon 70-200 series L, we're talking about the best of the best. This setup right here is probably about $6,000 just standalone. So overall, really good. But let me know whether you are Team Canon or Team Sony. Let me know down in the comments below. But absolutely gorgeous. And yes, you will find a link over to go on Amazon if you wish to purchase any of them. It is an affiliate link. So thank you very much for your support. If you end up buying it through my link, I appreciate it a lot. And I see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.